Tired of your AI-generated characters looking like distant cousins every time you try to recreate them? You've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Leonardo AI to unlock the secret of character consistency, a game changer for storytellers, game devs, and artists alike. The core of maintaining consistency lies in training the AI on your specific character. We'll start by using the image-to-image feature. Upload an image of your character that clearly showcases their distinct features, a circumflex euros. Think hairstyle, clothing style, facial structure, and that unique spark they possess. Next, craft a detailed prompt that describes your character with precision. Include their name, key physical attributes, clothing details, and personality traits. Think of this as giving the AI a detailed dossier. Without proper training, you might get variations that look a bit euros off, but with the right approach, you can ensure this. The most powerful technique is to create a custom model for this. Gather a collection of at least 510 images of your character from various angles and in different poses. All while maintaining those crucial defining features, upload these images to train your own personalized AI model. Give your custom model a clear, descriptive name, perhaps the character's name itself. This makes it easy to select later. Now, when you generate new images, select your custom model, use a prompt that places your character in a new scene or scenario, because the AI has learned your character's specific look from your training data. It will adhere closely to those established features. See the difference? The hairstyle, the outfit details, the facial structure, a circumflex euros, they all remain remarkably similar. Creating that crucial visual cohesion for your narrative. This method is essential for building believable worlds populated by characters that feel truly alive and recognizable. Mastering character consistency in AI art unlocks a new level of creative freedom for your projects. Go forth and create characters that your audience will never forget.